Jamaican woman will act like she's the most loyal woman on the earth, but in reality, she's not. Nobody is better than putting on a show than a Jamaican woman. Nobody is better than being fake than a Jamaican woman. They are the best actresses that there is known to mankind. Nobody can outdo them. Nobody at all. A Jamaican woman will be playing victim and acting as if her boyfriend is treating her in the worst way ever. But in reality, behind that man's back, she has a sneaky link. She's doing things that she's not supposed to be doing. But she's playing victim to that man to act as if that man is bringing her down. That man is walking all over her. That man is making her feel like she's not good enough. When in reality, she's living a whole complete different lifestyle that man does not know about. The same way how in Jamaica you might have a man play a gallus role is the same way in Jamaica you have a woman. A woman invented the word named manis. So you have a man being a gallus, you have a woman being a manis. Because majority of Jamaican women, 99% of them have at least 2 to 3 man. There's no question about it. But you're gonna have a lot of them telling me I'm lying. You're gonna have a lot of them telling me I'm bringing down Jamaican women. You're gonna have a lot of them telling me I'm bringing down the culture when I'm not. I'm not. It's just that they won't admit to the fact because of the fact that Jamaican women does not take accountability. Simple and plain. The moment you speak some truth about Jamaica, everybody say you're bringing down the culture. When they know for a fact that what I'm saying is true. That's the sad part about it. But tell you something. Some Jamaican women don't even believe in working. Some Jamaican women believe in having one different man for every different thing that they need. One for the hair, one for the wig, one for the nails, one for the toenails, one for the car insurance, one for the rent. That's just how most of these Jamaican women plan to live. It's just the plain truth. Even when they have a job sometimes it's not even about the fact that they don't have a job. Some of these women have a job, but they still want a man for every single thing that they are doing. Because it's not supposed to cost them anything. And even if they have one man already doing and paying for all of these things, it still doesn't matter. Tell me if I'm lying. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. Like and share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.